Today we're checking out the RedRock 4-inch drop TC1 running boards in texture black for the 2015 and newer F-150 SuperCrew. If you're looking to enhance both your access and the style on your F-150, then these running boards deliver a rugged upgrade with the convenience and flair, and they're definitely worth checking into. These running boards have a user-friendly 4-inch drop step design, making entry and exit significantly easier. This is going to be perfect for lifted trucks, those with oversized tires, or frequent riders like kids or older passengers. The full-length textured stepping surface offers reliable traction so you can maintain sure footing in wet, muddy, or those icy conditions. Beyond the accessibility, these bars are going to guard your rocker panels from road debris, door dings, and trail hazards, which is essential protection for off-road use and city driving. This stealthy texture black finish complements dark trim or tinted windows, giving your F-150 a slick, performance-ready look without looking out of place. These are built from very heavy-duty, fully welded steel, and these running boards are designed for serious durability. The texture black powder coat finish adds an extra layer of resistance to chipping, rust, and that everyday wear and tear. These are going to stay looking good even after years of hard use. With a solid one-piece design, the flex and rattling are really minimized for a premium feel. Now, as far as pricing goes on these, they're going to come in right in that mid $300 price range. Considering the combination of function, style, and that solid build quality, it's a very smart investment for F-150 owners looking for easier access to their truck. All right, when it comes to the installation, this is a bolt-on process rated just 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in 2 hours or less of your time if everything goes smooth. Now let's head on out to the shop, and we're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet and a 13mm socket. What's up, guys? Today we're installing side steps on our F-150, so let's get started. So the first thing I've done is laid out all of my brackets and hardware. Now all of our brackets are stamped with DF, DC, and DR for driver, front, center, and rear. It's the same thing on the passenger side with PF, PC, and PR. Now all of our brackets are going to install the same exact way. We've got a support bracket and a main bracket and the hardware that we need to bolt these up. So now we're underneath the truck, right behind the front tire on the driver's side. We've got our first set of 3 studs. We're going to take our support bracket stamped DF and put that onto our bottom 2 bolts. And I'm going to put a flat washer and a nut on each of those studs. So I'm going to get it right in the middle and then tighten that down using a 13mm socket sheet. Then we can grab our main bracket. We're going to slide it onto our 1 remaining stud and the new stud on our support plate. And throw your washers on there. Throw on your nuts. And then once again, this can slide left and right, so just get it right in the middle. And then you can grab that 13mm socket, tighten it down. And then repeat that same process for the other 2 brackets. So now we're ready to mount our side step to our brackets. We've got 2 holes in each bracket that we're going to be putting combo bolts through, and we've got rib nuts on the backside of our step for those to go into. So just line up those rib nuts with your brackets and lay it on. So now take your combo bolts and thread those into the rib nuts. Now I had to pull down on the side step to get that top hole to line up. Another thing you can do is just start tightening this bolt and it'll pull it down to get that hole to line up. Then take a 13mm socket, tighten these down once you have your bolts in all 3 brackets.
Repeat for your other 2 brackets, and then you can repeat the whole process on the other side.
So that'll wrap up this review and install of the RedRock 4-inch Drop TC1 Running Boards in textured black for your 2015 and newer F-150 SuperCrew. Thank you for watching, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.